So how do you deal with smelly scalp syndrome? Okay, smelly scalp syndrome are acids coming out your head and burning your scalp and festering. They're stinking. That's what smelly scalp syndrome is. Okay, the first thing you get out of this is not to treat it. The first thing is to fix the cause. The cause of it is that your lymphatic system and your kidneys are not functioning properly. Your kidneys are the guys who filter out the acids from your body. And if they're not working properly, they back up through the lymphatic system and through the head and through every cell, and they come out of the skin. That's why you're having the smelly scalp syndrome. It's acids trying to come out. You want the acids to leave your body, so you're going to get your kidneys filtering. You have to go on a food protocol. I have a food protocol on the group below. There's a group, you join the group, get the protocol, follow that protocol. That will get your lymphatic system moving, which will remove the acids, and will also get your kidneys to filter, which will expel the acids. So the lymphatic system takes the acids, is the vehicle that takes the acids, and it passes it through the kidneys where it's expelled. Okay? So you're going to go in the food protocol to get the lymph moving and to get kidneys filtering. You also have to clean out your GI tract because that connects your mouth to your anus, and it's very essential. You need to use a bentonite clay, activated charcoal, and helium husk. You mix them together and you take them, and it pulls out all the mucus plaque that's blocking or obstructing energy flow in the GI tract. Now, once you do that, all the sinuses and everything will start draining out, and all the acids will start leaving your head. It can take some time, but it's highly effective. And the great part of it is that you're going to feel amazing immediately. In other words, you're going to have the health benefits whilst you wait for the hair to grow and the smelly scalp syndrome to go away. If you want immediate relief, you can try apple cider vinegar mixed with water. So a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a liter of water, and you shampoo your hair and you pour that afterwards as a rinse. That should help alleviate the issue, but it does not solve the problem. To solve the problem, you have to get rid of the acids that are causing it. And the way to do that is to use a food protocol to get the kidneys filtering. Use some herbs if you can get them. And your body will remove all the acid and sinuses, and you'll be set free. You have better looking hair, and the smelly scalp syndrome will go away. Hope this helped you. There's more of it coming.